Welcome to Vedic Astrology classes, session 29. In current sessions, you are learning to identify strong and weak planets in a birth chart. In current session, you will learn about combust planets. Sun is the hottest planet among the 9 planets moving in the zodiac. During transit, as the distance between the planet and Sun decreases, the planet starts losing its power. That is, it becomes weak. As a result, the planet can't deliver favorable results. Such a planet is referred as combust planet in Vedic astrology. In a nutshell, a planet becomes combust when it moves very close to Sun. In this table, you can see the distances of different planets from Sun when they become combust. First column is for planet. In second column, you can see the distances from Sun in normal motion, which is known as Margi Gati. And in third column are mentioned the distances in retrograde motion, which is known as Vakri Gati. When the distance of Moon from Sun is 12 degrees or less, it becomes combust. Mars becomes combust when its distance from Sun is 17 degrees or less. Mercury becomes combust when its distance from Sun is 14 degrees or less in normal motion. And in retrograde motion, that is in Vakri Gati, Mercury becomes combust when its distance from Sun is 12 degrees or less. Jupiter is known to be combust when its distance from Sun is 11 degrees or less. Venus becomes combust at the distance of 10 degrees or less from Sun. And during retrograde motion, Venus is known to be combust when its distance from Sun is 8 degrees or less. Saturn becomes combust when its distance from Sun is 16 degrees or less. Let me explain you how you can measure the distance of a planet from Sun. Suppose Sun is in the sign Gemini at 10 degrees in a horoscope, and Moon is also in the same sign, that is in Gemini, at 18 degrees in that horoscope. Then the distance between Sun and Moon is 8 degrees, which is less than 12 degrees. So you can say Moon is combust. Now the question may arise in your mind, what is the outcome if a planet becomes combust while moving in zodiac? As I told you earlier, a combust planet loses its parts, its positive parts, and it no longer has the capacity to deliver favorable results. Let's take one example. I have explained you in one of the previous sessions that Moon represents mind, Manas. Moon stands for emotions, thoughts, sentiments. A combust moon may lead to depression, mental pain, disturbed thoughts, etc. Proceeding in this way, you can make interpretations for other planets in their combust state. In sessions 9 to 12, you have learnt in detail what the planets signify. So, if any planet becomes combust, you can easily judge what type of outcome can be expected. Remember, Rahu and Ketu never become combust. Rather, they eclipse the Sun. That is, when Rahu or Ketu is near the Sun, it makes the Sun lose its power. If you find in a horoscope that one or more planets are combust. Don't lose heart. Many times, a combust planet can also do good for a particular horoscope. It depends on a number of factors. Never draw inferences on the basis of a single fact. Always remember, what results a planet can deliver in a particular horoscope depends on a number of factors, which we are discussing in these sessions. To learn more about Vedic astrology, please watch Vedic astrology classes session 30.